Programming 101, data types, integer. Think of this as a whole number without any decimal points. Examples, 1, 100 minus 42. Float, decimal. Imagine numbers with decimal points. Examples, 3.14 minus 0.5, 2.0. String, it's like a piece of text or words. Examples, hello world, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, apple. Boolean, this is like a light switch, either on, true, or off, false. Can be used in if statements, loops, function returns, and more. Array, picture a collection of items like a shopping list. Examples, 1, 2, 3, apple, banana, cherry. Object, dictionary. Think of this as a container for different things, like a dictionary with words and their meanings. Examples, name, John, age, 30, color, red, shape, circle, null. This is like an empty box. It doesn't contain anything. For example, if you have a variable that is supposed to store an object but hasn't been assigned yet, you might set it to null to indicate that it's intentionally empty or uninitialized, undefined. Imagine something that hasn't been defined or doesn't exist yet. It indicates that the variable exists, but it hasn't been given a specific value. Character. This is like a single letter or symbol. Examples, A, Z, at date, time. Think of this as a calendar date or a clock time. Examples, September 5th, 2023, 14 hours, 30 minutes, and 0 seconds. Follow for more.